Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about decoders and encoders. Generally, these decoders and encoders are an examples of combinational digital circuit. First, we will discuss about decoders. What is a decoder? A decoder is a multiple input, multiple output logic circuit which converts coded input into coded outputs where the input and output codes are different. So from the given basic combinational circuit of decoder, the encoded information is present as n inputs that produces 2 power n possible outputs. The 2 power n output values are from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. Usually, a decoder is provided with enable inputs to activate decoded output based on data inputs. When any one of enable input is unasserted, all outputs of decoder are disabled. So, a decoder which has an n-bit binary input code and one activated output out of 2 power n output code is called binary decoder. So a binary decoder is used when it is necessary to activate exactly one of 2 power n outputs based on an n-bit input values. So yes, it is evident, it consists of n input lines are from 0 to 2 power n minus 1 and 2 power n output lines are from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. So let us discuss with one simple example 2 to 4 decoder circuit, or it may be otherwise called as 2 to 2 power 2 decoder circuit. Yes, it consists of two input lines like A0 and A1 with enable input E and produces four different output lines called Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. Yes, with this we may express this in truth table. So for a two input combination circuit, again it consists of four different values are there, likely 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So when input is 0, 0, yes, it decodes only at output line Y0. When input is 0, 1, it decodes only at output line Y1. The remaining outputs are 0. When input 1, 0, it decodes only at output line Y2. The remaining output lines are 0. When input 1, 1, it decodes the output line only at Y3. The remaining output lines are 0. So from this truth table, we may express the simplified Boolean expression for output Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. For enabling Y0, at input A1 and A0 are both are zeros. That means A1 prime, A0 prime. For Y1, it is A1 prime, A0. For Y2, it is A1, A0 prime. For Y3, A1, A0. So with this simplified Boolean expression, we may implement the same in logic diagram also. The first AND gate of logic diagram, the inputs consist of A1 prime, A0 prime. And the second AND gate consists, the inputs are A1 prime, A0. The third AND consists, the inputs are A1, A0 prime. The fourth AND consists, the inputs are A1 and A0. So this is the basic logic diagram for 2 to 4 decoder circuit. Like multiplexer, this decoder circuit also have several types like 1 to 2 decoder, 2 to 4 decoder, 3 to 8 decoder, 4 to 16 decoder. Likewise, it will have several types. And this decoder circuit have some applications. That means decoders are greatly used in application where the particular output or group of outputs to be activated only on the occurrence of a specific combination of input levels. So very often these input levels are provided by the outputs of registers or counters. When the registers or counters continuously pulse the decoder inputs, the output will be activated sequentially, and these outputs can be used as sequencing signals or timing signals to switch the devices at particular times. So one of the example of application, decoder application as shown here, it is widely used in the music or audio video correction process. So after correcting any audio file and video file, it may decode into the basic state. For example, if we encoded the music, the different rhythms of music as like alphabets or numerals like A, E, B, C, G, F and all, and after correcting any audio or video file with the help of enable signal, it can be converted into the different forms of music. This is one of application for a decoder. And next we will discuss about encoder. Similar to decoder, encoder circuit consists of multiple inputs and multiple outputs. So encoder is a digital combination circuit that performs the reverse operation of decoder. That means encoder has an 2 power n input lines and n output lines. Encoder also has enable signal in order to activate encoded outputs. So from the given combinational block diagram, yes, encoder circuit having 2 power n input lines are from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. And for n output lines, it is from 0 to n minus 1. Let us consider one simple example to discuss this encoder 422 encoder circuit. In the similar way of decoder, encoder also having some several types like 2 to 1 encoder, 4 to 2 encoder, 8 to 3 encoder, 16 to 4 encoder. Likewise, it will have a number of types in encoder circuit. And now we going to discuss about 4 to 2 encoder. Yes, it is from evident from 4. We have 4 input lines. That is Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. And the two output lines like A0 and A1. So Y0, Y1 and Y2, Y3 are enabled only at one time. So first Y0 is getting enabled. Input line Y0 is enabled. At the time output is 0, 0. When Y1 is enabled, the output is 0, 1. When Y2 is enabled, the output is 1, 0. When Y3 is enabled, the output is 1, 1. So for identifying the output A0 and A1, yes, it is easy to identify. Observing the column A0, it is enabled only when inputs are Y1 and Y3. So you should add these Y1 and Y3 to get A0. And similarly for A1, it is enabled only when inputs are Y2 and Y3. So to get output A1, we should add the Y2 and Y3. The same has been expressed in logic diagram also. To find A1, you should add Y3 and Y2. To find A0, we should add Y3 and Y1. This is what normal encoder circuit. Like the same way of decoder, encoder can also be used for a code converters, and it is used to find the address segments. One of the application as shown here, it is similar to the music correction process. Yes, for in order to encode any different form of music, it can be represented into different alphabetical forms or in number form. So the example given over here is the different form of music rhythms can be encircled with different colors. It can be coded by the numbers and alphabets like R, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. So in the various forms of music rhythms can be encoded with our required alphabets or numbers for encryption and decryption process. This is what about encoder circuit. These are the references that I have used for preparing this video lecture. Thank you for watching.